Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best light boxes for photography in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is DUCLUS Mini Photo Studio Lightbox. Small can be mighty, as this Mini Photo Studio Lightbox shows. Due to the impossibly low price, many overlook this brand, but it has thousands of 4 to 5 star reviews, so the company must be doing something right. Bottom line, if you need something small and consistent, this is a great option. This model Mini Photo Studio Lightbox has many of the same perks as the other light boxes on our list, from the included light bars to multiple viewing windows that help you capture the perfect angle. Only small products such as jewelry will work in this box. However, the small size is convenient. The box can be USB powered and is ready to go at the drop of a hat. Photo Studio Lightbox perfect for shooting small items, such as jewelry, accessories, toys, watches, gadgets and other items. Great for photographers, artists, online sellers, professionals and product advertising projects. Number 2. Our second best pick is the Glendan Portable Photo Studio Lightbox. If you're a product photography beginner and only require simple, clear product photos, then this portable photo studio lightbox might be the one for you. This type of lightbox is open at the front, and the lights are positioned on the ceiling in a circle. This setup is great at illuminating the top and sides of a product but can leave the front in shadow. To solve this, you may want to add an extra LED strip at the front. The box is extremely cheap, so you won't get pro-quality photos with the lights provided, but they'll be more than good enough for Etsy or Instagram. Integrate 112, high-quality LED light beads with dimmable range 0-100. You can easily adjust the brightness to get the desired lighting effect. High color rendering index, 95+, and no strobe, create brighter and softer lights, help leave your photos looking more natural and great texture. The photo box comes with 6 colored detachable backgrounds, white/black/orange/blue/green/red, made of thicker PVC, which are sturdy enough and no wrinkles, so you can easily change background colors and build up various shooting scenes as needed. The Photo Studio Lightbox also includes a reflector and a light diffuser, so you have additional ways to control the light output. Number 3. Our third best pick is the SYGA Lightbox. The tent includes 2 integrated LED light panels that provide bright daylight and balanced light. Lightbox with special weave and heat-resistant silver reflector. Provide uniform lighting to minimize shadows. The flaps at the front of the tent provide variable-sized openings to reduce reflections. Opening can be used as the front or top of the tent to take pictures of different angles. The entire front of the tent can also be uncompressed to provide larger openings to photograph larger items. The kit includes 3 backgrounds: black, white and tan. Come with a carry bag for easy transportation, can be used in different places with phones or cameras. Easy to install, no tools required. Good gift, comes with a light diffuser to reduce the harsh glares on shiny surfaces and 2 clips to fix the background. The background is a smooth PVC material, so it can be easily wiped clean. The frame of the camera box can be easily connected through a joint. The whole zipper is very easy to install and uninstall. Easy to carry, transport and store. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Finnhomy Professional Portable Photo Light. Inexpensive light tents don't always make the best light boxes for product shooting. That's because they're usually too small to shoot anything other than jewelry or watches. This portable photo studio, however, is a little larger than most budget boxes, and while it's not perfect for larger products like shoes, it is a good value option at this price point. It comes with 5 PVC backdrops in white, black, tan, red, and gray. However, they can be awkward to hold in place as you have to tuck the corners of the background under the tubes while using them. The LED lights are stepless dimmable. This is a good feature for a budget light tent and gives you more control over how much light you get in your images. Assembling this light box together takes time, and it has metal tubes and plastic joints that you have to put together. The construction process can get tedious, so I'd recommend finding a space where you can keep it permanently set up. That said, it's a pretty decent beginner budget light box, so if you're just starting out, it's definitely worth considering. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Foldeo 3 Plus Halo Bars Portable Lighting Box. This is expensive, but it does come with a 360-degree smart turntable that makes shooting a product from all angles much easier and quicker. All you have to do is control the turntable with the smartphone app. The Halo LED light bars are an addition to the main Foldeo 3 LED lighting system, so you can add or remove them as you see fit. You may not need them, though, as the main lights offer strong, daylight-balanced illumination all on their own. The Halo light strips are magnetic, which means you can quickly place them anywhere in the light box you need the extra light. It can be put up and taken down in around 20 seconds, and it's made from durable, opaque white plastic. The magnets are key to the quick setup. All you do is place the sides of the box close to each other and they snap into place immediately. All these little things add up to massive time-saving benefits. This can be a welcome factor when you have a lot of product photography to get through. You have a decent amount of room, and it's tall enough to house bottles of wine. The side panels are detachable, too, so you can easily show hands holding objects without the holder having to contort their arms uncomfortably. It makes shooting products and food so much quicker and simpler, especially with the smart turntable for 360-degree photography and the extra Halo light bars. It offers a complete small to medium product studio and is worth the price for professional-looking product photos. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.